Caulking can be frustrating. KLRS, professional, what do they call it? Professional caulking tool. Okay, it makes it effortlessly. Makes it effortless. Sorry with my words tonight. It's a great multi-tool. It's 4-in-1. It's scraper, digger, flat scraper, and a caulking tool with 5 different rubber boots that can go on here, and they stay on nice, and you can really press down with them. Anyway, 100% stainless steel, tough, and you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it if you caulk, if you do remodeling, whether it be in your home or professionally. I'm telling you, you need to get this. It's really a good buy. Some things are just so, right? But this is a really good buy, a good deal. And I used it with this caulk remover. This stuff was amazing. I just couldn't believe how this was dried on, nicely done silicone. And I wiped this one with a rag, waited a few minutes, 3-4 minutes, and got in it with this, and boy, it just come off like butter. Not gooey, nasty, sticky, nasty, messy stuff. It doesn't disintegrate it. It breaks the molecular structure, or the bond between the silicone and the surface. And it did an amazing job. I'm still almost without words because it does such a good job. And what a pair. I'm telling you, what a pair, these two. Get them both. I'm telling you. Thanks. Bye now.